to fire the machine up at the beginning of the shift, simply turn the power on, switch your controller on and press the reset button. You'll hear a thud, it means it's talked to everything, everything's now connected. On your computer, open up the CNC 3D Commander and click on Connect. You should see a whole load of bunch of information appear, which you have. You'll also notice that we are in alarm state. It does that as a safety feature. To release the alarm, press the emergency stop on the screen and unlock. You'll now see it's idle. You must home the machine every morning. So we click on Home Machine and you'll see the Z finding its home, the X finding a home and the Y finding its home. It is now set and ready to go on to the first job. To bring it onto the job, you go to 0, X, Y, and that will bring it to the start position, which is right in the right hand corner of the style. To load your job, click on Load Job, select the job that you want from the database, and here we've got 1270. You can select any size that you want, and you see that job is now loaded in, and it's just simply a case of clicking Run Job. Once it's finished, it will turn back to home and switch the drill off. And that's it. 51 seconds. To start the next job, put your style in, select your file size and just click Run, and away it will go again. If for whatever reason something goes wrong and you need to stop the machine, hit the stop button. The drill head will come up, the drill will switch off, and it's now in a emergency stop position. To take it out of emergency stop, it's very important that you follow this sequence. Release the lock and release the lock on the program. Turn the power off on the controller and then go through a startup procedure. We do this to save any problems. Switch back on, hit reset to your controller, unlock, home machine. If you follow that sequence, you will not incur any issues. Then to get it ready for the next job, go to 0, X, Y. And it's simple as that.